It's finally lunchtime, and someone got takeout. Or should I go the healthy route? Nope.
Hey, get in on that red meat, bro.
Yep.
Hey, veggies will give you energy.
I guess you're right. Who do I listen to? You guys make everything more difficult. Better luck next time, Matt. Who needs chemistry anyway? I've got better things to do. Where is everyone? A party? Looks like it's over this way. I've got to be getting close now. I think I hear music. Whoa! What? My test? There, so what? An F? Get out of here, go!
A student coming through.
What kind of party is this? Only good grades get you in, huh? Jeez.
Hi, Matt.
What's up? Can't get into the party with an F.
That's what you think.
A little tape should solve the problem. Of course. Now you're thinking clearly. Take some tape and stick it over the marked grade. Use a pencil to trace over it. Once that's done, lift up the tape. Use a red marker to add an A. Very nice. Looks pretty good, right? Time to get my party on. Wow. Thanks. I'm gonna go. Is this what you're looking for? An A? Well done, kid. Have fun in there. Huh? Where's the party at?
Can we help you? What are you doing here? Are you lost, buddy?
What kind of party is this? Oh, serves me right. Ready? Begin. Okay, a line here. No! I just sharpened this too. Oh, so annoying. This should do it. Yep, nice and sharp. Hey, what's wrong with this thing? You wanna play games? Then it's on. Wish I had a trash bin nearby. Sharpen, pencil, sharpen! Ah!
Hey, what's up?
My pencil's a dud.
Look at all those shavings. Your pencil case. Why don't you do something with it?
Go on. I've got some stuff in there. Let's see. Scissors, chapstick, glasses. Now what?
What about that balloon? That thing's just what we need. It's your new shavings collector.
Okay.
Stick the sharpener inside. And sharpen to your heart's content. Goodbye, dirty mess. Now, when you sharpen, the shavings all stay in one place. See? No mess.
Thank you.
Now show that rectangle who's boss.
Yes, I'm finally home. Time to relax and get comfortable. Ooh, these aren't very warm. What's with the holes? Oh, these are my favorite slippers. Did you do this, Rufus? Yeah, that's a guilty face.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Any remedies for holy slippers?
Those are pretty bad, but all hope's not lost. Ta-da!
A teddy bear? Of course.
You're welcome. Guess he's on his own.
Have a teddy bear like this. Make a slit in its back, exposing the stuffing. Then take a good handful of it out. Next, lay the bear on its tummy. Take off the arms. Use scissors to cut off its body. Now you're left with the head. Get your slipper and put hot glue along its edge. Before it dries, get a hold of the bear head and stick it on top of the glue. And put more fur over the instep. Add some glue to the sole. A zigzag pattern is best. Then line the inside with more fur. Press down so it all sticks. Oh, hello, new slippers. Comfy never looked this cute. Thanks for the inspo, Rufus. I'm sorry I yelled at you.
And me?
Thanks, Angel.
You should try selling those.
Maybe, but for now, it's cuddle time. Mwah. Just a couple more steps. Oh boy, this craft sure is messy. Wish I had some wet wipes or something. Nope, not worth it.
Don't throw this thing away. Yoo-hoo! Need a hand? You did a pretty good job so far. It's supposed to be the globe?
Forget it.
Aw, don't give up, Matt. Glue-covered hands? Without a sink nearby, there's gotta be a better solution. Bingo! I'll take that.
Is that my deodorant? I don't need this till gym.
It's for your glue, silly.
You think it'll help? If you say so. Take off the roller top first. Then hold the bottle upright. And in goes the liquid glue. Pour it all the way to the top. This may take a minute. Don't forget to put the roller back on. Now, let the gluing commence. It's coming out already. Let's try this again, shall we? Roll on a little glue here. Oh, nothing is getting on my fingers. Oh, so easy.
Hey, looking good, Matt.
Thanks.
You're so gonna get an A.
Time for my daily sugar dose. Hot tea, anyone? I've been waiting for this all day. Hey, who rifled through all my candy? They ate half the bowl.
Ha ha ha, sucker.
I can't believe this. Hey, what happened? My candy's been stolen. That's just not acceptable. This person must be punished. What's with all the fruit? Huh? Fruit? Use it as a disguise. Think about it. Come on, you can get there. I got it. I was worried for a minute there. I'll hide it in plain sight. I'm gonna catch the thief in action. They're taking the bait. Oh, I want candy. You think this is funny? Hilarious, actually. Guess you're eating healthy today. Nobody messes with my stash. Which are you more likely to listen to? The devil or the angel sitting on your shoulder? Sometimes a little bit of both is the best option. You're only human after all. Hey, be sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos.